Okay, guys. Today we're gonna be looking at Bitcoin. Um, well, there's been a lot of speculations that Bitcoin will just drop to 20,000 or tap 19 and then start going back up. Look, that's not true. I've been trading this market for quite a long time now, and I can tell you, Bitcoin is still in a downfall, and it should still drop. Now, I want to do a little bit of technical analysis here to show you, what exactly is happening and what to expect. So, when we look at in 2017, we can see that the market did make a high right here of this was a high of 19,656, and then it dropped. So now we take this area here as market structure broken if the market was to go above, right? And as you can see, the market really broke 19,000 and it went up to 65. Now, since the market broke that level, and the level is regarded as a break of market structure, so we should expect the market to come back to retest that area. And however, there's a couple things that we have to be looking here. There's couple market structures which were broken prior to this run to 67,000. I'll mark them here. There's this there. It's not as accurate. Yeah, a little bit 14,000 around, right? So this is what I want you to pay attention though. I want to show you where exactly the market will drop to. You see this lead candle right here? This lead candle right here? There's something called fair value gap. Give me a second. So I'll put that there, and then I'll put another one there. So you see between this line here and there's those 2 weeks, the candle wicks, which never interacted with each other. Like the wick on the right never touched the wick on the left from the red candle. Now this small gap you see here is called fair value gap. Most of the time this is normally caused by buy side inefficiency and then sell side imbalancement. So what happens is something called price jump when the algorithm is printing the chart. So this fair value gap has to be filled. Now, many people would never think that Bitcoin was ever gonna drop this low. But well, look, Bitcoin is not dropping because of only the factors about the economy and other stuff. Yeah, those things take place, and they are part of the reason. But there's another thing that many people don't know: the market can never just continue going up forever. So there are cycles in the market, and Bitcoin has to drop to complete the cycle, right? So if you ask me how far it has to drop, you have to be looking to start buying Bitcoin or even buying any other shit coins or other crypto assets once Bitcoin fills this gap, right? Once Bitcoin fills this gap, I would try to change the color for fair value gap. That way we're on the same page. So once Bitcoin fills this area, this gap here, once it's filled, then now we should start expecting a rally back up. So anywhere within this red candle is where now you should start looking to buy. Now look, you have to pay attention. Bitcoin can drop a little bit further below the fair value gap, but this is the place where the market will create the most pullback. Like it has to pull back up. So if you're still wondering how to enter this market, here you go. I've given you a little bit of insight of what is going on, and this is a monthly time frame. You can go on the chart and check that, and I wish you the best. Hopefully I'll continue updating about Bitcoin as time goes, but look, this is the only time you become rich, like really rich. So I've set aside some funds which I want to invest exactly when Bitcoin touches that fair value gap. I'm gonna be investing some money there, and hoping that one thing will happen. So once the fair value gap has been filled, we should expect to start seeing another bull run. This bull run might take the entire 2023 and 2024, of which we should take this high right here. So we should take that high. So we should take the 68,928 high, and we should now be able to see Bitcoin run all the way to 100,000 guys. 100,000 guys before we can even see a retest to this previous high of 68 or maybe around 65. Let's hope everything goes great, and don't rush to invest. Just wait for the right moment, wait for the market to come to your side, and then invest. But again, this is not a financial advice. I'm only trying to show you what exactly do I look and how do I invest in this hash market trends. Thank you for watching, and as always, this is Pips Investors. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.